Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by exiting settings. In them you need to choose connection and sharing. Tap on print section at the bottom and select default print service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. But you can also download different print servers by tapping on this switcher to disable default one, going back, and tapping on Add Print Service instead. Now get the best one for you, in my case HP one. And go back. Now just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!